Yo guys, and welcome back to this new Ethereum update video here right now on this channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the price action of Ethereum, where we are right now seeing a very beautiful retest of this previous level of major resistance, and we are currently flipping this level into support. So this could be the provider of Ethereum pushing it back towards higher levels around the $3,500 and even beyond, of course. So in today's video we're going to as well discuss the inverse head and shoulders that we broke out towards the upside as well. I will be going over the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, and I will be talking about the total market capitalization already being very close to its all-time high right now, while Ethereum and Bitcoin are still a little bit further away from it. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up that like button. And as well, for all the people right now wondering, the more people that are going to smash up the likes right now here, the more viral crypto content is going here on YouTube, and the more people will be getting exposed to crypto as well here. So you will be not only help me out here, but you will be helping the whole cryptocurrency industry right now out to smash up that like button. So thank you so much for doing that already. And with this out of the way, let me start right off with discussing the Ethereum price predictions here on the 1 hourly candle. So let me start off here. So what you can currently see here is that we formed, of course, like I told you in the intro, major resistance before right now, of course, crushing through this level with a very significant move towards the upside of an approximately 7% here. And we are right now retesting this level as very strong support. And this is looking clearly like Ethereum is in an uptrend right now, since we have been starting to form higher lows and higher highs here. So this is generally looking like a very beautiful trend here. And since right now breaking through this level, I'm getting very, very bullish right now on the price action of Ethereum. We could be as well use the Fibonacci to maybe spot some levels of resistance in the future as well. We will be using it on the higher time frames as well in a second. But this is, of course, telling us that we could be maybe find some very potential strong resistance around to $3,423. So I'm looking very, very forward towards that here. So right now I'm as well a little bit more bearish on Bitcoin, since I personally do expect, of course, Bitcoin to maybe, of course, see a lot of bearish divergence, what could be leading towards lower prices here. But if I'm looking to Ethereum, yeah, the divergence, the current ongoing momentum is telling me that we're going to see reversal. But yeah, in the price action, you can clearly see here as well in the 1 hourly candles, we formed this head and shoulders over here. This is a very clear breakthrough, and this could be for sure leading towards higher price targets. For all the people wondering right now, what is the price target of this head and shoulders? If we're measuring it, is going to be, of course, an approximately move towards the $3,600. You could be for sure right now taking a trade on this one, because yeah, it is looking very significant. But I will be standing on the sidelines with my trades right now here, since I'm too scared to long the market or too scared to short the market right now here, since yes, this is an extreme bullish signal that I'm getting here. That if I'm looking to the momentum indicators, I can see, yeah, Ethereum is still forming a lower high here on the price action, but a higher high on the higher high on the price action, but a lower high here on the RSI, resulting in a bearish divergence. So yeah, the momentum indicators are telling me, okay, Rover, you want to be careful. And if I'm just purely looking to the chart here, you can see, of course, head and shoulders getting printed over here. This is a very bullish bias pattern, and this could be resulting in, yeah, Ethereum pushing up towards the $3,600. So looking forward towards how this is going to end here. But this is for sure a very beautiful opportunity that you're right now getting here in the market. So let's see how this will be playing out as well. If you are looking, of course, on the 4 hourly candles, you could be approaching it in a different way here. You could be seeing this this inverse head and shoulders here towards the downside with a downward slope of resistance line. You can as well see on the 4 hourly candles, we broke through the critical levels of resistance, and you can even, yeah, better draw it like this, to be very honest. You can see, yeah, we broke through the critical levels of resistance, and right now, yeah, we looks to be that we are, of course, already broke through of it, and you could be waiting for a retest to enter it. But if you're approaching it on the 1 hourly candles, like I told you before, we are already seeing the perfect retest of this level, since previous resistance right now is flipping into support, and we could be, of course, go towards a price target of this inverse head and shoulders. So looking forward towards this, since this is, of course, a huge opportunity that you're right now getting here. So yeah, I'm a little bit more bearish right now on Bitcoin, since the momentum indicators are telling me, yeah, that we're most likely going to see a correction. And of course, I'm pretty bearish right now as well on Ethereum if I'm looking to the momentum indicators, since the momentum indicators are right now telling me we are forming currently on the MACD a clear higher high in the price action, lower high here on the MACD, giving me a signal of a trend reversal. As well, if I'm looking to the RSI, it is forming a bearish divergence, but not so strong. So yeah, I mean, on the 4 hour, I'm seeing a divergence on the MACD. On Bitcoin, I'm seeing on several time frames right now here, and that is, of course, making me feel I want to be, of course, a little bit more careful. So yes, I personally do expect that Ethereum can be increasing towards the $3,600, but it will be not trading it. So I already own quite a lot of Ethereum Ethereum in my portfolio. So we'll be just sitting on it, of course, because my portfolio I'm not here to trade with. And for trading opportunity, I have to wait a little bit longer here, since I have been telling it several times here. This is not a trade setup with the least amount of risk here. And if you want to be staying up to date about when I will be opening a trade here on Ethereum or Bitcoin or whatsoever, make sure that you're going to follow me already here on Twitter at RoverCRC, and you could be hitting that follow button over there. And if you're going to follow us right now here, you will be at least staying up to date about all the developments that we are going to make here on the channel. So let's see what we can be doing further here as well. You will be seeing all these updates already, and we could be looking for higher price targets anytime soon here. So yeah, looking forward towards it. And let me as well go over the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, since on this valuation we are right now seeing very interesting things. So you can see over here, parallel channel towards the downside getting created here. We are seeing that Ethereum compared to Bitcoin is losing its valuation ever so slightly, because we're clearly in a downtrend. Like you can see, lower highs, lower lows in the price section. So yeah, we're currently moving in a downward trajectory here on the 4 hourly candles on Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. So what I do want to be seeing right now here, in order to see Ethereum climbing back against Bitcoin, is a breakthrough of this resistance target on the top side. So this still remains to be seen to when we're going to break through this level. But as soon as we're going to see a breakthrough of this level, we could be looking, of course, at long positions, and we could be looking for a very significant increasement in price valuation here. So let's see how this will be playing out. Once again, saying this, if we're going to see a breakout of one of these levels, I will be keeping you guys up to date once again on my Twitter page. So yeah, this is going to be quite important to look at, since the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation is just going to signify to you guys, okay, I rather want to be holding some Ethereum right now, or I will be rather want to be holding Bitcoin right now. So it's very important to pay attention towards this chart in a very good manner, since you don't want to be missing out on this exact move, of course. So another thing that is pretty interesting to discuss here is, of course, the total market capitalization. Since if we're looking at the total market capitalization of the cryptocurrency industry right now, it is 2.13 trillion US dollars. And of course, we already increased and we already surged, of course, an approximately 86% in total market valuation in the last 34 days here. So that's absolutely crazy what we're right now seeing here. And if we're measuring it from the high over here towards the low that the high that we're currently getting created here, we are still 16.5% down here, approximately 426 billion US dollars from the previous all-time high. And if we're looking at Bitcoin, we are still even more than 60% down here, because Bitcoin is still 22% down here. So already tells us, okay, the altcoins have been gaining more on this recent drop-off. The total market capitalization for the altcoins is higher right now than the market capitalization on Bitcoin. And you can clearly see that as well if you are going to go to the Bitcoin dominance chart. You can see the Bitcoin dominance chart broke down here of this rising wedge with a price target around to 39%, as well, signifying that Ethereum could be maybe as well take some more territorium out of Bitcoin. And that is also a thing that I'm personally right now still anticipating. So make sure that you are prepared at least for another amazing Ethereum run up here, and you would definitely want to be staying exposed to Ethereum for sure for all the holders out there. So yeah, if you're looking to Ethereum, Bitcoin was, of course, the total market capitalization was 16% away from it, Bitcoin 22%, and Ethereum right now 23%. So yeah, it looks to be that all the coins except Ethereum and Bitcoin have been gaining more. So we already know Cardano, XRP have been taking back very much territorium here on the price action. So let's see how this will be reacting. And personally, I do expect that Ethereum and Bitcoin is going to show us a lot of strength here and still push back towards this all-time high here anytime soon. But yeah, a lot of other altcoins are going to take benefit from it as well here. So with that out of the way, with that discussed, of course, let me right now as well talk about the Ethereum daily chart. So Ethereum on the daily candles is also looking quite interesting right now here, because we are seeing a massive divergence right now playing out here. So you can see we have been clearly forming and decreasing RSI. We have been clearly losing the momentum here while we were consolidating and correcting here on the top side. And right now we start to increase once again here. So as soon as we are going to break through and close this daily candle above the previous daily candles, we could be up here for a major bearish divergence, what could be leading to a very significant trend reversal. So make sure that you're going to pay attention towards it. And definitely, I mean, yeah, I'm extremely bullish. I want to be feeling extremely exciting, but right now I'm getting as well very scared, since this reminds me of previous market situations, and we could be maybe see another correction before really moving up once again. So make sure that you're not going to go to Rex City this time, and make sure that you're going to pay attention always what the technicals are telling you. So make sure that you are going to subscribe to this channel if you want to be staying up to date about all the market developments here currently in the cryptocurrency industry. Yes, we are increasing further and further, and we're ignoring all the bearish indicators, but for sure I will be keeping you guys up to date about what is still going down right now on the momentum indicators, currently telling us that Ethereum is about to see a trend reversal. So as well, we have been increasing ever so slightly. MACD even having a bearish crossover on the daily. We could be very, very much down here right now for a minor correction here. It is very healthy if we're going to see it. So make sure that you're going to pay attention towards it. I'm not a huge bear here, but I want to be raising the awareness that we could be for sure seeing a correction coming anytime soon towards the Ethereum chart. So guys, this was already it for today's video here. We discussed, of course, the potential price targets where we could be looking at here on the 1 hourly candles. Make sure that you're going to smash up the likes if you like this content here. And I will for sure check you guys out here on the next video here on this channel. Peace out.